I have here this 4-pack of these 8.5 by 11 Certificate of Achievement frames. These frames can be used on the desk or a table. They can be mounted vertically and they can be mounted horizontally. The clasps are very easy to take the back out and switch out to a photograph or a new Certificate of Achievement. They come in black. The front is plexiglass, not glass, but plexiglass. But it does feel like real glass. They're they're light, but yet not too light. They're heavy, but yet not too heavy. They're not going to fall over, and they are of very good quality. I like that they blend with an office or a den decor, or you can really put them on any table that you need. I have this certificate here that I'm going to put in here. And I really like that they come in a pack of 4. So if we have a season of something, all of the frames can match for that season. And I am pleasantly surprised in the quality of the item. Once hung, they look nice, they hold up well, and they came very nicely packaged, no damage. They came covered in plastic, but I did cut that off. 4 in a box, and no damage. Definitely exceeded my expectations, but I highly recommend these 8.5 by 11 black set of 4 certificate frames.